Welcome dear students, this is Sharjeel. Today our topic is conic sections. Conic sections or simply conics can be created by cutting a double right circular cone with a plane in 4 different ways. Before proceeding to conic sections, you should have an idea about a cone. A cone is a 3D geometrical shape which has a circular base which reduces to 0 while approaching to the point which is known as vertex or apex. There are two types of cones which are right cone and oblique cone. The names are given to them because of the triangles formed in between them. As you know that the triangle which has one angle equal to 90 degree is called right triangle. However, the triangle which is not right is called oblique triangle. In this cone, you can see the axis makes 90 degree with the base and it forms right triangle in the cone. That's why this cone is known as right cone. Whereas in this cone, the axis is not at 90 degree with the base, so it forms oblique triangle within the cone. That's why this cone is known as oblique cone. In right cone, the vertex of the cone will always above on the center of the base, whereas in oblique cone, the vertex of the cone will not be above on the center of the base. If we place the reflection of the right circular cone above it, then it forms double right circular cone. A double right circular cone can be created using two lines. This is known as axis and this is known as generator. Both lines are pivoted at the center. Rotating the generator line across the z-axis, we can make double right circular cone. The angle between axis and a generator is known as vertex angle. The surface area of the lower cone is known as lower nape and the surface area of the upper cone is known as upper nape. Now we can create conics by cutting this double right circular cone by a plane in 4 different ways. If a plane cuts in such a way that it makes 90 degree with the axis, then the shape formed is known as circle. Hey, what are you doing here? Say hi and go back. That's like a good baby. Sorry for interruption. I was talking about a circle. The further the plane from the vertex, the greater will be the circle. The closer the plane to the vertex, the smaller will be circle. A circle is a shape whose all the points on the circumference is equidistant from the center. If the plane cuts the double right circular cone in such a way that it makes angle greater than the vertex angle and less than 90 degree, then it forms ellipse. Ellipse is a shape whose all the points on circumference is not equidistant from the center. If the plane cuts the double right circular cone by making the angle equal to the vertex angle, then it forms parabola. In this animation, you can see that if the plane makes angle equal to the vertex angle, then the plane cuts only a single cone, lower cone or upper cone. If the plane cuts the double right circular cone by making an angle less than the vertex angle with the axis, then the plane will cut both the cones, so it forms hyperbola. Thanks for watching. See you next time.